today I want to address something that's been on my mind for a while. And I like to think about calling it the behavioral domino effect. I like to evoke the thought of considering the way that you treat other people and the way that it may impact someone else. So what are you really trying to say, Rachel? The point I'm making is consider how your interaction with one person can affect a multitude of people. If I choose to be rude to my child or my spouse to start off the day, this person can go on interacting with many other individuals and be passing on that negative energy, and that becomes a domino effect. If I start out the day positive, there's a better chance that the individual who I'm negating that positive energy to can still go around and replicate that positive energy. So just think about it. One bad action or transaction between you and somebody else may not just affect that person only, but everybody else who comes along their path. It's been said countless times that we cannot control the actions of others, and this is very true. But we can control our own actions, and that's what's most important. We can't say that just because we're going to be nice to one person that they're going to be nice to everybody else. But we can control what we did and our role in the part of the equation. So before you treat somebody rude or mean, just think about the domino effect that this can have down the line. That's all I'm saying.